Welcome to Woggle Guides. In this guide, I'll show you where downloads are on Android. Let's get straight into it. If you've downloaded a file and can't find it, don't worry. Most downloaded files are stored in your Downloads folder. To find them, start by opening the Files app on your Android phone. If you can't see your Files app on your phone, it's easy to find just by tapping into the search bar on the phone and typing Files. Once the Files app opens, let's tap on the Downloads option. You should now see a list of downloaded files. This is where Android stores most files that have been downloaded from apps and websites. You can scroll through the list to look for the file you're trying to find. If you tap a file, Android will open it for you. If you're wondering how files appear here, let's take a quick look. I'm going to return to my home page, and I'm going to open the Chrome browser on my phone. Just like before, if you can't find it, you can search for it. I'm now going to download an image file. Once the download is finished, you'll see a confirmation message. And if we now return to the Files app, you should now see the file you've just downloaded. Once you've downloaded that file, you can open it at any time. Let's tap on this file to open it. And that's all there is to it. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Woggle Guides for free to see more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and do look after yourself until next time.